Hello to everyone, my name is Elwin Waman and together with David and Valeria we built Qichwabase, which is a Wikibase instance. In this video we want to explain you why we decided on using Wikibase as a core technology to support the harmonization process of the Quechua language and knowledge. For the creation of our knowledge base, basically we evaluate several databases and Wikibase provide us with a linked open data ecosystem. It's knowledge graph based and it's community driven and open source. So you could have your own reason to choose Wikibase. Also, for hosting the knowledge, we wanted something that can store the data as a structured data. Also, we want to customize it and we want to also manage the users and the community, and also that allows us to query the data. So Wikibase provides MediaWiki, MariaDB, and Sparkwell in the knowledge hosting task. So for also the curation tasks, Wikibase provides Open Refine, Wikibase import, and entity schema. So those technology or these tools can help you to clean the data, normalize it, to link your data with different knowledge bases like Wikidata, import the data from there as well, and also to validate your knowledge. Furthermore, we were looking for a user-friendly technology, and Wikibase was uh, very nice because we are used to use it. And also the query service that it provides with the Sparkle, it's very nice. And also we can export this queried data. If you want to know more about the Qichwa base, you can access qichwa.wikibase.cloud and you can contact us. Of course, there are some challenges, and we at the beginning thought, okay, we probably are depending on Wikibase because they provide us all the technology around, but we realized that they have a lot of documentation, a lot of channels where we can look for support, and they also provide a lot of information how to do this, how to do that. So it's very a big community to trust on. Then also we are facing the stage where we are building a strong Quechua community that could basically use and create this knowledge. So we are inviting schools, universities to join to this movement, also universities around the world that could create the knowledge. As the next steps, probably for Quechua base as a wiki-based instance, we are providing structured data on the web so they could be retrieved by search engine. So at the end we could envision to have these knowledge panels as a result in a search engine. So also we want to develop some personal assistants, also some chatbots, and all of this in order to bring the Quechua knowledge and language to the community, to the Quechua community, and thanks to Wikibase. Thank you. If you want to learn more about the Quechua base, you can read the documentation. Also, you can contact me for any question. Thank you.